Yo! Free Money Friday! And not gonna lie to you guys, if you peek that chart right now, you can see the oportunidad that she's presenting, my boy. Come on, NASDAQ overnight range opened up at the 219 or 191s, flashed up 20 points from there, 220s, and we've sold off 700 points. 680 to be exact, but yeah, damn, she got that opportunity. I'm back. We missed you, my boy. Work. Good morning, King. Come on, baby. Welcome in, my man. Hope you're doing great things. Hope you haven't died on too much matcha. Good morning, bro. Pat, what's up, King? Good morning. I was in the chat waiting for you, my man. Couldn't wait any longer. I have the thing pulled up. I was waiting to see where you was at. Friday. But I understand. No worries. NASDAQ is giving oportunidad. Oportunidad, muy oportunidad. Strong, 220 point high, 550 low, 570 point change. No, wait, 450, 670s, yeah, 770 point range. I messaged you, bro. My computer is a brick right now. Oh, fuck, I didn't see it. No worries, Pat. We love you anyways, King. We love you anyways. Morning, all. Matthew, good morning, King. Thank you, man. Didn't want to hold you up. I get it, brother. No worries. W's, everyone. WU work. Sausadelic, the man, the myth. TLR, Free Money Friday. Let's get it, baby. I'm not going to lie. She's free. It's Free Money Friday today. She got that oportunidad. 770 point overnight range. It's our job to find it, my friend. That's all we're going to do. NASDAQ opening up here. I thought longs look kind of decent down at these bottoms. I don't have the nuts to do it, so I'm going to be a little bit more patient. Currently just getting slapped. Look at the daily chart really quickly. See if we get any information. Yeah, tell me that these lows down here don't look juicy, but as well as maybe they hold. Look at us starting to turn over here. Look at us starting a little bit of something down here, huh? What is these prices? So right below us is this big one at 545. We bounced at 550, so pretty much found that liquidity. And then 511. All right, so 500 whole numbers. Seems like possibly something. Let's look at the hourly chart really quickly while the NASDAQ's giving us this initial move. Yeah, look at this bottom down here. This is a big spot where you expect a reaction, and that's what we got. Do we get lower? Are we pulling back for a rally? What's going on here? 770 points. So opportunity to make money is fucking fat. It's very much there. And it's our job to just take advantage and do the thing. That's what we're looking at. NASDAQ opening up here. Opening print price at the 600s, just below. Yeah, actually just about 600 exactly. And we're already up to 660. So it's trying to get higher. We'll see where it wants to go. Let's fucking go, King. Good morning, chat. W Batsky. W everyone. Morning, family. Welcome in, GPT. Morning, y'all. Let's get this motherfucking bag. Santi, the man, the myth, the dude. What's up, brother, man? Hope you're doing great things, King. Absolutely love it. Santi Brahm, good morning, King. Dave, OPEX today. Don't blow your accounts. Indeed, a day not to blow them. We have a 770 point overnight range. The opportunity is fat. Muy oportunidad. 770 point overnight range, fam. It is OPEX. Chances to make money there. Chances to blow it all there. So we're going to do our best. We're going to do our goddamn bestest. And that's all we can do. Show up. Take good setups. Accept whatever happens. It's beautiful outside today. It's literally perfection out, my man. 70 degrees. Perfectly clean, sunny, cloudy, no clouds. It's a day for some swinging irons, if you know what I'm talking about. If you know what I'm talking about, it's a day to do that tang there, my boy. It's a day to do that tang there, my boy. So I'll see you take some time off. I'll cover you around. Good morning, King. Welcome in, Pobby. The man, the myth. Welcome in, my dude. NASDAQ already getting back down towards that opening print price. I think buyers look pretty sexy. I'm not going to lie. I'm just trying to decide when I want to be a part of it. I'm thinking maybe a 500 flash. Let me know what you think of that. Ryan is out. No can do. No. No, sir. Say, hey, it's my turn to be out today. Fucking perfect outside. Is he golfing? He's got to be. What is he doing? You know what I mean? What else would he be doing? You know what I mean? Come on. What else would he be? It's a day to swing some iron over here. I'm not gonna lie to you. 70 degrees, chill, not fucking too sweaty. Nice weather, sun's shining. NASDAQ opened up 60 points off that 600. We're right back testing it now. 550 is below. Currently traveling to Tennessee to receive his Employee of the Year award. Oh, what a goat. W. Ryan. Come on now. He earned that. What do we got, family? What do we got for levels? Oh, we are ready for that bag. Let me know where to full port. Santi, I agree. Let me know where. I'm asking the same thing. What levels do we got, family? I'm thinking maybe 500s. We swoop through overnight range at the 550s. Wait for a reaction around that. You know what I mean? We'll see. A little taste of something. Or are we just sell side pissing away down to the fucking 3.2s? Are we selling right now, family? Did somebody hit the sell button? I'm not aware, because if that's what's happening, again, if you look at the hourly chart and this thing wants to break through these 500s, next thing below is like, yikes. You know, next thing below that is fucking yikes, down to the 200s. So are we just dripping through here? That's what I'm asking. Does anyone have any information? Did the government call? You got any barren tweets or anything that we know of? It's either going to be a sexy little bounce, relief bounce. Took an overnight low right there. Sellers already looking pretty strong again from the 684 down to the 530. The 150 point sell off in 3 fucking minutes, family. Very careful today. Protect your accounts. Hey, Santi, might be a day to listen to you, my man. With I might have to go down to some micros today. I'll blow an account in 1 or 2 candles. Or we make a fat motherfucking bag. You know what I'm saying? No risk, no Rari. NASDAQ down 2.3% today, family. Kind of feeling like a sell day. Trying to decide it, read it, decipher. We're going to give it the 15 minutes to really get our opinion established before things get too crazy with it. But for the most part, we'll see what we do. We'll see what we find. We'll see what we do. 539's 39 points above the huge 500 whole number level. From that, I don't fucking know. You know what I mean? From that, it's like, who would even know? I'm thinking sweep the lows, the 500s. Wait to see a reaction. Maybe try a long. If not, 15 minutes. Wait to see what we got there. Currently, this 15-minute range is selly. Currently, it's dripping away from us. So. Tagging the 530s, 500s are just right below. We did get up, sweep to the 685s, and then just seller said, no, sir. No, sir. It's a no for me, dog. It is a no for me. What is oil doing anyways? A little bit of a relief bounce, which is not right. ES is only down 1.3%, so still holding up a little bit better, but still getting smacked. Oh my fucking God. ES is down 1,000 points right now, overnight. 7575 7473. We are literally down 1,000 fucking points. I mean 100 points. Look at me. I'm an idiot. 100 points. 100 points. What's gold doing? Selling off a little bit as well. Crazy shit, my family. 100 points in ES, 770 in NQ. 2.4% in the NASDAQ as we're just bleeding away to nothing. It's Free Money Friday. You guys know what that means. We either get paid or we, you know what I mean? We take that free money for Friday. Ow! I feel good. I feel excited. I feel optimistic. Even if I blow these accounts today, I'm excited for the opportunity. We could easily get a nice payout today. We could easily get over the buffer. That 2,000 drawdown. Is it 2 or 2,100? I think it's 21. I don't fucking know. It's either 2 or 2,100. Probably 2,100. But we get over that buffer. Actually, I got to look it up because I'm going to be curious. I guess intratrade, 2,100, 2,000. They're not the biggest difference, but it is also it is, yes, buffer level, $2,100. $2,100, and we are through buffer. NASDAQ teasing the 500 whole number. Here we go. Sellers just stepping in from the 686s. Already down 186 points from that high 7 minutes ago. It's ridiculous what we're paying attention to. Hope you guys are protecting yourself. There goes the 500 whole number. An immediate reaction here is pretty expected. Do we get a quick bounce or continuation is going to be the information that we're seeking. I mean, there's really nothing but selling, smashing right now. So careful all the way through. Be patient, be careful, be cautious. Part of me wants to just try to put on like some micros. You know what I mean? Do two micros down here. See if I can catch a piece of this selling or this buying to pick up down here. These like 580s. Would that be retarded? Problem is I have to do intraday trailing, so I'd have to snipe it. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it. Because I just don't know. We just don't know. Again, below is the 200s. We're down 3% in the NASDAQ. Is today a 5% long sell day? 500 longs? I'm thinking about it, Dave. That's what I'm tempted to try. Morning King, let's go. Matrix, welcome in, my man. I'm tempted to try it, my dude. It's just crazy. Holding a short from the 640. Ow! Matrix! Baby! Free Money Friday if I ever seen it. Come on, King. Ride that mofo down. Do you have a target, or are you just ripping? You trailing, or you got a target, or what are you doing with that? I'm thinking we could keep cutting down to lows. It's crazy to think like that. Target is the 400, but in micros, don't matter, King. Couple hundred points in micros is money, man. Couple hundred points, no matter what you're trading, is money-making days on a Free Money Friday. Victor, good morning, King. Been a little while. Hope you're doing great things, my man. Can you find an opportunity in this selling? I believe we can. Are we going to join them? It's tough. I want to immediately say yes, but it's also like we're down 2.6%. Is it going to be a 5% sell day? Are we looking for a complete continuation? I don't know the answers to these questions that I'm asking. NASDAQ, strong leave out the 450s right now. Trying to see if we're going to get up into this EMA. I think this EMA would be a first chance short for me. I'm not going to lie. I might have to snipe it. Yeah, I've been trading options and trading stocks, swinging stocks. I love it. No worries. That's king status too. Do we try to short this EMA, first EMA tap? Or are these 500s as high as it's going to go before these sellers just keep smacking their face on the table? Am I a pussy to try it? Am I a pussy not to put a fucking mini in there? First EMA touch after crazy selling? Whoa! I only have 75. No, I'd have 10. I have 100 points. 623. So I could give up quite a bit of drawdown. I think I try it. I try a first EMA tap here, sell side, if we even get a chance. A little bit risky. Tiny bit. 500s appearing to be the big resistance, which isn't crazy to think. First EMA touch doesn't feel awful here. I'm going to try it for a quick little try. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on, NASDAQ. Give me a touch and go here. Let me in with that man Matrix, and let's just bleed down to the 400s. If we can get in at these 516s and we see a reaction, it'd be pretty clean. Buyers, of course, are going to try to give some stronghold. This isn't my favorite trade, though. I'm not going to lie. Might have to just be a snipe trade. Quick little scalp on this position. I'm out. Let's go. 713 done for the day. Let's fucking go, Matrix. So proud, King. Huge trade. Huge trade. He said he doesn't like shorts anymore. That was another EMA touch. I was trying to predict where it was going to be. Of course, we don't find it at the time where it looks decent to give a continuation. Of course, we wouldn't get tapped in. 4 points on a day where it's just fucking ripping. We don't get in 4 fucking points in a day where it's going hundreds. And we would have already been really close to our buffer being smashed right there. You motherfucker. Look how close, family. Just shy. 4 points in getting filled, and now it's bleeding away from us again. Oh, Bella, good morning, Queen. Welcome in. Happy Friday. Free Money Friday. Hope you're doing great things. Hope you have a great weekend as well. NASDAQ, that first EMA touch, baby. When you get really strong direction like that and you get that first EMA touch, that's usually a decent continuation trade. We just got missed by it. We'd be up nearly our full money-making mode here. Damn it, that would have been our buffer. That's okay, family. The opportunity's here. We can see it. We can smell it. It's right in front of us. Hey, this is the day to go for it. I'm going for it. I'm going to try to break the buffer and get paid, or we're going to blow the accounts. I'm okay with either. There it is. That literally would have been our buffer. Crazy. Actually wild. It's fine. In 3 minutes, in a minute and a half, we would have made our buffer. Would have made 10 little beans. But we're excited because the chances are still there. We're going to get our 15-minute range drawn up. Oh, I'm going to try the thing that we talked about with the 5-minute thing as well. So we'll see here. Get our tools ready. Our little drawing tools ready. You know what I'm saying? Oh, can you guys feel the chances in the air? It's either going to go well or it's not, and I'm okay with either. Right now, I'm letting you guys know, if I blow these, I will not be upset at all, because it's pretty likely with this much volatility. Being missed by 4 points right there tickles the tongue a little bit, though. I'm not going to hold you. That tickles the tongue a little bit right there. If we're getting down to the 400s, NASDAQ down 2.7%. Are we just going to continue this landslide? It feels very possible. 944, 15-minute range is officially going to be set soon. Technically, could just keep disturbing me, so I'm not going to draw the bottom in yet. But 5-minute high has just been disrespected. 15-minute range, 280 points as well. Golly. You guys get it? Because I would have passed that buffer in minutes. Minutes, family. These are the opportunities that we kind of look for. Ooh, don't do that. I need that. Don't do that. I need that there. Come on now. Second EMA touch, way less likely to get continuation. So if we do come back up into there, I'm going to be patient and wait to see some establishment. You would have been done if that got you in. 4 points, max. Oh, baby. We would have been through that buffer in 4 days and looking for money today. Would have been a little payout opportunity day. Still can be, though. Let's find it. Still can be. We just got to find it. Which is okay. I'd rather take a 15-minute trade setup anyway. I am going to do what I said and just try to see what this 5 minutes look like up here. So, wait, I just drew that wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's our 5-minute bottom, which is feeling like 50%, which kind of, I like a 50%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5% is 50%, just about. A little bit more, maybe. That's pretty close to 50. And here we go, family. 15-minute range is officially in. 280 points roughly, which is redonkulous. Absolutely redonkulous flavor. You know what I mean? Second EMA touch, less likely. I'm not going to take this continuation trade. I think shorts are very much in, though, so I'm going to be looking for any pullback to take advantage of. Really not thinking about longs. You saw the reaction through a big number like that, 500s, no support. Not interested in trying to find a relief bounce. So for me, if we come back up in this EMA and try like... EMA doesn't look terrible here either, but I think maybe 50%, maybe the 500s, something like that. Something like that could be clean and spicy. You know what I mean? Something that could be a little spicy with it. Here comes the second EMA tap. Less likely for me for continuation, so I'm not going to be taking this one. I would really love to see, at this point, either a strong break of the 15 for continuation to the sell side with a retest, or these 500s, 520s, I'd be interested in maybe trying as well. Buyers are trying to hold this EMA. Where do they get there? US 30 just paid me on a free money Friday. They better have. Come on, TLR. Let's fucking go, King. It absolutely better on a free money Friday type of situation. 2.7% selling on the NASDAQ right now. Can you believe it? Can you dig it? Are you not entertained? Yes, we are, NASDAQ. We really are. We love you, and we just want to find it so you can be a part of us. The fact that you missed me by 4 points isn't my favorite, but we're gonna still find it here. Second EMA touch, looking to be pretty decent reaction at that as well. Not interested in longs until maybe if I saw like a ridiculous volume spike through the bottom of this 15-minute range and then a retest. I might have just enough to try it, but right now, not interested in longs. I want to see a 500 test attempt again, and then maybe that 50% in the 520s, try that for a sell side. Something like that would be kind of all I'm really looking at here. I am in trailing, so I have to try to top tick. I got to be as precise as I can be, which I don't like. I don't like to have to be so precise, make it a little tricky, but we will do it anyway. We will do our best, regardless. Excuse me. I really do think I'm interested in sells up and around this valley. There's a lot of valleys, of course, but orange folder in 12. Interesting and important to know. Appreciate you, King. It's interesting and it's important to know is what I'm hearing out of that. Do I try a contract up here at the 530s, or do we turn early at the 516s? I'm going to go 50% at the 530s. I think we could get resistance right here, unfortunately for me, but I'm trying it. $50% of the 15-minute range is what I'm trying to go for here. I do feel like these 500s, 516s could be the resistance instead. I'm hoping not to be. I'm hoping that we can get through there a little bit, because if we turn here, next chance is going to be below the 15-minute range with a retest of it, and that's not my favorite. Yeah, there's the reaction. A little bit of a reaction at these 516s. Do the buyers have enough to get through it? They're trying. 500 whole number. Don't make me short right here, NASDAQ. I want a little bit higher, you kitten. Come on, queen. Give me a little bit higher now. It was always going to be the 16s, huh? Because I'm at the 36. Right? Is that what it's, you know what I mean? Is that you smell what I'm cooking? Do you smell what the rock is cooking? Let's see if we can get up there. I'm really hoping that we can just get a little tap of that 50% and then immediately get those sellers to say, hey, good morning, happy Hanukkah. We're here. I love you. And that'd be pleasant for me. If we do get tapped into this, I'm going to be trying to get out somewhere after a closure of these 550s. It's a little bit of a loose stop, which isn't comfortable on a day like today, but we're going to still try it. We're still going to have that be our hopium. All right, NASDAQ. Now's the time. Go flash those 36s and then get the sellers to smack your forehead. But if we don't get up through these 500s, this is the spot to sell. Honestly, I think it's going to be the 500s. I just know the way she likes to act, and she's going to be trickery dickery. Trickery dickery doc. She's not making sense on the clock. 2.5% sell. Do we get through these 500s? If we do, actually scares me a little bit that we might get continuation to the buy side. I'm hoping to see the 50% be our money making though. Here we go. Here we go. Fingers crossed. Big time. Let's get a reaction here at this 50, at these 36s. From here, we're going to probably have to look at a 50 tap. And then from there, it's going to be, do we get a reaction? We are trailing, so I don't mind taking a little bit of drawdown off the initial as long as we don't get paid correctly. 2MNQ at 423, but I got hit with a trailing SMH. I like your discipline to be sized inappropriately though, King. See, now I don't love this where we just immediately gave up 400 points in drawdown because it instantly starts respecting us. That's not my favorite. I would have rather they just rip through my price a little bit more aggressively and then started respecting us later. If we can be respected later, then our drawdown doesn't get affected. But since it immediately went in our way, it's not super sexy because now we're hoping that this is the top. Come on, sellers. You keep fucking with my drawdown now. You're scaring me. Now we got to try to top tick, and I don't like that. Is this going to be the chance here? Hypothetically, that's our green line. That would be our buffer. I'm not hating the reaction here, but the fact that we're just tricking around isn't my favorite, because if we do get volume through it, we already lost a bunch of money in our peak performance there. You know what I mean? We're in trailing, so we got to try to top tick, and we already gave up $400 or $500 on it. Makes it very tricky. NASDAQ trying to get up through here now. Here's come the 550s that we were trying to be careful at. All right, NASDAQ. Take it easy now, queen. Take it easy. There's that 550s tap. That's the last thing I really wanted to see here. And of course, it's just going to rampede through us, huh? Trying to be as intelligent with it as we can be. She is getting a bit of a reaction. Strong closure up here. Feels like you have to just take your loss on the chin, but it's also like once I do that, you guys know the game that plays out typically for Tyler. I mean, are we even surprised? Holy fuck. Are we even surprised, bud? Oh my God.
Order filled.
All right. Well, gotta just give us a chance. See, the fact I'm only down 1,000, but we have 500 in drawdown is so annoying because we got respected a little too quickly there. I wanted this to happen fast so that we would have saved that extra 500 in drawdown, but of course not. I'm long 516, added to max size. Sorry, Ty, I keep fading you. I'm out. TP hit. Hey, all right, King. You're doing the right thing, getting paid. Hey, I just read Hickory Dickory last night to packs. That's hilarious, Saucy. I love it. I love it. I mean, this is a V recovery if I've ever seen one. Straight up. Look at the wick forming here. Pretty impressive for a wick to be forming as such. Makes it a little bit hard to fade. It's a straight V. That's a straight beep beep if I've ever seen one. Man, now you're just a little bit more salty about getting missed by 4 points when we would have passed our buffer instantaneously. And then it did. And then it respects us just too quickly. 25 points. Takes 500 bucks in drawdown from us. So now we got a top tick. And Santi is correct. Sizing into micros is a better for today. I'm not intelligent. How about that? I'm just not smart enough to do that. That was brutal price action though, but if you can see order flow, that was a proper look below and fail. You mean down here or where so? Below the 500s. Tried to break through the 5s, got rejected and reclaimed pretty quickly. And the sellers just said, hello, we are done. We took our money this morning. We are selling now. We are buying again. Look at that for an OPEX. Holy fuck, family. Down 280 points and then straight up 280 points. I mean, hey, like I said, this is what we want. You know what I mean? This is what you're looking for. Obviously, not working out for me at the moment, but I am well okay with the fact that this is a chance. And I did get missed on our 500 try there, 516, whatever it was. So, you know, it is what it is. It is what it is, family. We take games. Damn, that's such a hard one to trade. I should have held, but lucky to be on the right side. That was abnormal. Yeah, I'm happy for you, Split. That's all it is, King. 484 was bullish and balanced. I had it at entry and took a loss, then re-entered to make it up. Should have just held. Tough, just like Split said, should have held, but it's hard to say on a day like this, family. You guys, if you're making money and you're grabbing it, be proud, be happy. Be proud, be happy. I really hate that we're only down a thowie wowie, but that we only have 600 bucks in drawdown left, because makes it really tricky. Makes it really, really tricky. We never even saw the bottom of the 15-minute range or the top. Also, which is why I was willing to short up here pretty comfortably. We never even saw the bottom. So one of these sides are going to break. And now it's kind of seeming maybe like the top, which would be interesting. Well, top of the 15-minute range trade here after a straight V recovery would be pretty wild. And so, yeah. Really nice imbalance created there. And a retest of it is crazy. Is that max daily loss hit for you, Ty? Or still have a trade in these accounts? I have one more chance. We have 600 bucks in drawdown. So we can try it. We're going to try for some magic here. It is trailing drawdown, so it makes it really tricky, because even if actually no, at this point we're safe. At this point we have about 30 points to try with. So, you know, it's up to us now. I wouldn't mind to see a break of these 680s, 686s. Excuse me, and then maybe a VWAP short, top of the 15-minute range. I mean, this is crazy. Sellers completely straight for 15 minutes. Buyers completely straight back for the other 15. I mean, this is crazy, family. Opportunity. This is OPEX. That's what it is. Random ass volatility, strong movements. Right now, it's just, you know, I'm going to wait, try to find something that makes sense. NASDAQ now recovered a bit, only down 2% on the day. Not terrible at all. VWAP would probably give us a nice enough reaction to get a little bit of something, or it's gonna bust us. We're gonna find out. I mean, or it's gonna just bust us. Strong recovery though from the longs, I'm not gonna lie. Makes me think that higher buy side we could just be pushing right now. Look at this wick form on the hourly chart. If this thing closes like that, holy yeah. I mean, holy yeah. You know what I mean? That is a crazy wick. This is a bang in the middle of targets to the upside. Previous day low and downside. Huge supports at 250. $250, he says. I mean, look at this hourly candle. Wow. Wow. Yeah, it's tricky to read that. Did Nasdaq just take the top of the 15? No, but it's trying. 686 is the top of the 15. We immediately reclaimed that. How fucking crazy, huh? King, newbie. Welcome in, queen. Yo, today's the day for opportunity. Protect yourself, be patient. Took a $1,000 paper cut, but because we're trailing, we're already down. It is, in fact, though, free money Friday. I love it. Good luck. I hope you guys can crush. Look, these are the days that we low-key want as a trader. Obviously, size appropriately for your accounts. Do whatever you can to give yourself the best chance. But these opportunities, how you really can make some money. Obviously, find a good position, decent risk, and then let it ring. Let it ring. Let that thing ring, king. Here we go. Break at the top of the 15-minute range. Up into VWAP. I think I'm going to try a quick little reaction here to 726s. It is tricky. I mean, look at that. Look at this recovery here. I mean, that is crazy. Straight up. Like, I don't care who your mother is. That is wild. Like, that will take your socks off. You know what I mean? That'll blow a little hole in your pants. I'm already out for a 15K day. Caught the shorts down close to my zone. Let's fucking go, newbie. Incredible, queen. 15K day, something light on the day. You know what I'm saying? Do we want to try these quick little chance here at this VWAP? I don't hate it. I just, not gonna lie. It's a little bit too bullish for me up here. This is a little too bullish for me up here. I'm gonna try it.
Order filled.
See if we get immediate reaction. Seeing if we get an immediate reaction. We have to get a quick one right back inside of that VWAP, though, for us to have any life. Come on, sellers, give us a little something here. Just a little something. I'm not looking for the world here. Just a little something. Give us some doggy back. Come on, baby. Give us a little something here. I don't hate that. We got a ton of volume with no immediate continuation. Not a terrible thing to see. And there's the continuation. You fucker.
Order filled.
Oh, wow. Buyers. I mean, can you believe it? Can you fucking believe it? Yeah, I'm copy trading though, so it's not in just one account. Still, that's incredibly lucky. I wasn't a greedy bastard and trying to hold for a whole TP. I would have been cooked on this pullback. This pullback is crazy. Danny, good morning, queen. Welcome in. Oh, this is an adrenaline pumper going for the quick scalp off view up. Good luck. God damn. Had to try it. I mean, hey, you get that much volume. It hasn't turned around for 15 minutes. I mean, I don't hate it. But now we're in trouble, family. We only have $200 in drawdown. Yikes. Yikes. Which means if I'm trying to save these accounts, we can trade some micros. But fucking A. Except now it's not gonna go push past the price that we just stopped out at, right? Surely. Oh, okay, good. It did. All right, good. I like
Hey, Mom,
that.
now that I have an after-school job, I think I want to
Got an
buy
ad.
a drum kit.
Okay,
Nope.
Rockstar.
Nope. Got an
Let's
ad.
look at
Sorry
your
about
account.
that. Skip. Back in game. Back in the game. I mean, look at this fucking hourly candle. That is crazy. I guess my fault for not, I don't know. That's a crazy reaction. That is a wild, wild reaction. We're up 360 points in like 20 minutes. What the fuck? Can you believe it? OPEX, what a day. $200 can last a lifetime. If we are careful, it can. If we are just precise little demons, we can make it happen here. Look at the volume starting to pick up though through that VWAP. Makes me think that it's still not exactly ready to run. But maybe it is. I don't fucking know. How could I even know? You know what I mean? Like, how could you know? We're nearly 50% of the daily candle. Up around these 550s or so would be. 830s. Crazy. Oh, sure. Now you're going to respect VWAP, right? Sure. You just had to come down and just give me enough of another paper cut, huh? You fucking twat. Going to be a lot of trap buyers in a second. I'd be looking for short bias here. Well, that sucks, Split. We just got cooked. They're fucking dicking us around. Making us be patient and shit. Like, why would this not have happened just a couple of minutes ago? No. Of course no. You know what I mean? Might leave a small size trade on the day here. Might leave a small size trade on all day here. He likes shorts a lot up here. Tricky to know. Hard saying without knowing, you know what I mean? It's really hard saying when you don't know. Are these VWAPs different? They absolutely are. Interesting. Look at the volume though. NASDAQ really saying, hey, I kind of like this. Buyers just smashing that VWAP tap there. Excuse me. Buyers absolutely smashing that VWAP tap. I don't know. All I know is I love it. All I know is it's exciting. Even though we got schmurdered today, so far, cannot believe we got missed by 4 fucking points in a day where it's moving hundreds. 4 fucking points to get our entry. We would have passed our buffer in 2 seconds. I'm setting a limit at 820. 820 isn't a bad spot. I like the same spot, just eyeing. Triple top here, roughly. Could be interesting. I see the same level. I see that same level there, King. Man, these buyers, they said, hello, good morning. Happy Hanukkah. Have a good rest of your night. It's like, oh, happy Hanukkah. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. I don't even know, though. It's kind of hard to be a seller right now with just this incredible volume. Took the order off. I'm going to let it sweep and take a look. Sell stop back down. Yeah, I want to see it sweep these 20s. Maybe even try that little bit of higher at the 840s and then see if I can get in with a reaction. EMA curling through the VWAP pretty instantaneously, though. So that's not even a question. So it's like, yeah. You got that phone. Who got that phone on them? Crazy. Regardless. Absolutely incredible. We saw a 280 point sell-off, and then from there, a 400 point bounce. Holy God. VWAP has been so different across my platforms. That's why I don't even trust it anymore. Yeah, it's been wildly different. I agree. Lately, it's been weird. Lately, it's just a little bit finicky. It's like, it's this, but it's not that. It's that, but it's not this. It's, You do you. You do you, WAP. I'm just going to go ahead and just, let you do you. Give you some space. It has been strange. want to see what happens at these 820s, maybe that 840 spot, and then from there, it's like that's kind of 50% of the day candle as well. So I really wouldn't mind to see sellers get a little bit of something there, but I don't know. These buyers just said, hello. This is my market. We're up 400 points in like 25 minutes, so you can make your choices there. It's like, oh, all right. That's, well, I mean, fair point. You know what I mean? To each their own, I guess. To each their own, I guess, kitten. It's annoying. This next trade that I take, I'm going to top ticket, but I'm going to take it with micros. So even though it would save my accounts, I'm going to take it with micros, and it's going to be so hard to get my money back. But if we can at least get a good position playing in our favor with micros, then we can maybe look to add in with a mini. Who knows? Let's just see if we can save these accounts. That's all we got to try to do. That's all we got to try and go ahead and get down here with a little bit of opportunity. You know what I'm saying? A little opportunity. Opportunity. We got, what? 50 points with two micros. Fucking 50 points is only $200. Ew. Just kidding. We're grateful for anything. I get it. Fine. Okay, sure. I'm going to run off and deal with these cows and fix my hay Tractor King. Just stopped by to wish you a free Money Friday and like the stream. You're such a queen. Congratulations on a smashing day. Appreciate you for stopping by, and take care of those cows. Sounds like a fun little Friday afternoon after you got your free Money Friday. Appreciate you so much, though, newbie. All right, we're seeing if we get this reaction to these 20s or not. It's kind of a little tricky to say. Tyler just saved those accounts for FOMC limit order. Maybe. But the thing is doing stuff right now. You know what I mean? I do like what you're saying, though, Dave. But I've never traded FOMC like that. Actually, FOMC is later. I don't even think I'm usually working at that time anyways. I thought you meant CPI initially reading that, but FOMC would be crazy. Here we go. Sweep of the highs of the 40s, 50s here.
Order filled.
I'm officially in. I am officially in with micros. Who would have guessed it, though, huh? That this NASDAQ was just going to do this today. With an absolute V recovery all the way to W's. FOMC would have been a fun way to do it as well, though, Dave. Maybe we can just, get a little love here. These 50s, 40s. Get this thing to give us some reaction, and then we can maybe start doing something. Man, you can just see they're not getting a single flick in our direction, though. Holy fuck. Finally. Finally a reaction, man. Jeez Louise, Batman. Happy Hanukkah. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. We know where we're in, and we know where we don't want it to go. So we just got to watch. Surely this thing isn't going to just rip 500 points up from the bottom, right? From the 400 to the 900s, right? Surely we're not going to just continue to... All you have to do is buy this fucking thing after that 15-minute sell-off for 280 points. Surely, right? Strong closure below the 820s wouldn't be terrible. Text says FOMC season for another 12 days. Yeah, that's what I mean. I knew it wasn't super close, and it's just, you know what I mean? Yeah, know what I'm talking about? This first EMA touch is going to be the risky bisky of all of money making here, because if we get a reaction here, obviously muerto. If we get it through it, could be looking decent. Itchy nose. Yeah. Hey, we at least got a chance It's all we ask for, NASDAQ, is a goddamn opportunity. I want to see these sellers try to load back up again. That's all I'm looking for. I mean, we're still down 1.4% on the day, which is nothing when we were just down nearly 3%. So they reclaimed a lot of damage. There's the EMA reaction. Are the sellers going to get this thing suppressed here? Come on, kittens. Let's see this thing back to VWAP, huh? One time for the free guy. One time for the fun time. Come on now. One time for the fun time. Let's get down there. Is this what I talked about, though? The one time I said I'm going to top tick it. I said I'm going to top tick the fuck out of this. Did I go down 10 points in damage? Yeah, so I would have busted there if I would have done a mini. Would have busted there if I would have did a mini. Santi, you was right again. That man Santiago. Dial in with that man. He knows what he's talking about. Another EMA reaction. Can we get through it to the sell side? We did get a sweep of that price. We're below the 820s. I don't hate it with a retest of the 820s again. I want to see this thing try to go see what that VWAP smells like. You know what I mean? What's that smelling like over there? Hypothetically here, I wouldn't mind seeing this thing try back down towards this previous swing low, somewhere around these like 600s. I mean, is that crazy or is that just spicy? Is that crazy or just retarded? You know what I mean? Is that ambitious or just straight wrong? You can see, though, we're struggling to even get through this EMA. I would have liked that to be a little bit of a deeper cut from these sellers. The buyers are trying to hold it up here after getting... It's a little greedy, honestly. They went up fucking 460 points, and they're just being greedy, not giving up 30. Like, come on. Be realistic. Be realistic. You guys are being greedy up here. You guys just gave up 450 points to the buy side. You can give up some points. Come on. Come on. Come on. You know what I mean? It's going to be okay. It's going to be okay. Let's see what this VWAP smells like, and then we got to see the reaction. We got to see the reaction there. I would love to see a nice cut through it, but the top of the 15-minute range is going to be a reaction as well. We're in a tough spot here. Regardless, family, I am proud of how we've traded this. And this could be it, huh? Because holy fuck, these buyers are they're on something today. I mean, they are moving this market easy as pie. Easy as pie, right back to our price. In one candle. Fucking A, they're greedy. They don't want to give up anything. You already just got a 2K payout, turned around, made the 1K, then about two 150Ks. Now they're both sitting at 4.K. Good Friday, hit the like button. Let's fucking go, Eli. Great Friday, King. Free money Friday. NASDAQ disrespecting us. No selling. EMA supporting. Back to our price now. Boo. These buyers are greedy today, man. Giving no love to the sell side. Like, they just took all the money from the buys to the sells, and they're like, yeah, I don't care. We're going to keep it. I'm like, that's so greedy of you. Looking to see a reaction back at the top here. I don't hate it. I don't love it. It feels like it wants to go sweep through our price before sellers try to get this thing to give any reaction whatsoever. It was 50% of the range, so it's not a terrible trade, but we're trying to save these accounts. We're down 1,300 in money, but because of our drawdown, we don't have much life left at all. There's 30 people watching, family. If you haven't yet, that should be 30 people, so we should have about 4 million likes. Hit the like button if you guys haven't. It means the most. It's Free Money Friday. It's free 99 to hit the button. I would not be trying to sell. Oh no, Elijah says it. You might be right here, King. They're starting to find that vigor in them again. Yeah, it's not looking good, is it? It's not looking good, mi amigo. The reaction was okay, and now we're getting smacked to our face. Volume is just, I mean, they just want more. They are, like I said, they're just being greedy today. These longs are just greedy today. From fucking the 408s to the 900s straight. 500 fucking points ripping. Gosh, who would have thunk it? Not me, I'll tell you that. I couldn't have thunk it. I think I lost that. Wait, what did I do? I lost shorts, lost short. So I've just shorted this whole fucking 500 point move in disbelief. I tried shorting my initial contract and I got missed 4 fucking points before this thing would have paid me in 2 seconds. And then NASDAQ. Oh my God. Pretty confident that we should be getting out of this trade right now. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Like, if I was tied to a lie detector, it would be like, hey, should you sell here? And if I said no, it would fire. This isn't looking good for shorts at the moment. I don't hate the reaction there after that sweep, but the volume here is what makes me like a little really uneasy. And I feel like this EMA is just gonna be a launch pad to death potentially, but we're gonna find out. I made 8K in Sydney last night off one account. Hey, let's go, baby. It broke the 600s with no pullback. That's what she's doing right now. Just absolutely one-sided trading, which is, I mean, honestly, I don't know why I'm so surprised. Look at the sellers all fucking night long. There's no relief to the buying in any capacity. So now it makes sense that they're getting it all right now. You know, honestly, that's a goofy on my part to not have seen that. You know what I mean? Obviously, that's goofy on my part to not have seen that. All night long, sellers had their way. So, of course, during New York session, they're going to get a reversal. Which I did expect, but I thought it'd be happening at the 5s. So then I went to the 6s. I got tricked. Or the 4s. I got tricked. And now I think we're in trouble over here. I don't hate this, but I don't love it. All night sells were not we're hotline blinging. At the hotline bling, all night long sellers had their way. And now the buyer said, I get it. I figured you out. We're buying. It's like, oh shit. Oh shit. But nobody invited me to the buy party. I mean, I kept trying to short this thing. All day I've been trying to short this thing. So where was my invite? Come on now. If we're going to the sell side, I would have loved a little invite. You motherfucker. No, but I will pout about it later that I got missed by 4 points on my limit order at those 516s, and I would have passed the buffer in 2 fucking seconds. That's gonna tickle me. That's gonna make me think about it and make me sad. Unless, of course, this thing just goes back to the lows. Come on, NASDAQ. That you wouldn't go back to the lows, right? Like, surely, right? Like, you're not going to give up this EMA and then the VWAP in the 15-minute range and break down towards those 600s, right? That'd be crazy, right? Dave, I just placed L's based on the 3-minute EMA. 8 high, not closing the settings. Crazy. You would dog for that, Eli. You would dog for that. Surely you're not going to just give up this VWAP, right, NASDAQ? Like, you wouldn't, right? No, because why did I get missed when it was flashing the EMA and then it goes right down to the fucking profit target of Valhalla and I would have passed the buffer in 2 fucking seconds? And then who knows what happened. I probably would have, still taken the shorts all the way on this thing and still lost a lot of money. But I would have at least felt good. You know what I mean? If I was still going to blow the accounts, at least I would feel good about it. I don't hate the way that we're rounding here, but these buyers are just so fucking greedy today, man. Gosh. Yeah, that looks bad. That looks pretty bad for the me. That looks pretty gross for the me right there. This thing looks like it wants to go rip faces off, and my face is one of them. Like, it wants to go rip faces off, and I got a Halloween mask on, you know what I mean? It low-key scares me how good my win rate is when I stick to it. My win rate is 80 to 90%. That's what you want, though, King. That's what you want, though. Hey, trust that. Follow that strategy. The volume, though. My gosh. Yeah, Danny. Excuse me. Just crazy, isn't it? Absolutely incredible volume. And look at the fucking buyers, man. No giving up the EMA. 500 fucking points. They just have been riding this EMA up. Oh, the buying is spicy. They are just spicy split. 100%, man. Cannot deny the buying. that they are on some shit right now. I just want to see what happens when they stop the momentum. Do we get a little chance? My bad, I ain't fully active. A lot going on in the past 2 weeks. On Monday, I'm fully logged in again. Work, do what you got to do, King. We love you, buddy. You're the man. You're the myth. You're the dude, brother. Do what you got to do. The love is felt regardless. I know you're fucking a homie, so do what you need, King. Take care of yourself. That goes for anybody. It goes for anybody. Can we get a reaction, though, man? Can these sellers stop being fucking pussies right now? Come on. Do it with your chest. You've been just walked over by these buyers. Fucking put your chest up there and say something real. Huh? How about that? Speak with your fucking chest right now. I want to see what that VWAP smells like. I do have a little bit of a feeling that if we can get some selling, that these buyers that have just been horny, they're going to have to go to bed. We'll find out. 14 likes, man. Come on, family. We can get to 29 on Friday stream. Free money Friday, free like Friday for sure. There's 29 people watching. There should be at least like 4.2 million likes, except for the fact that these fucking buyers are about to take my accounts from me. Gosh, man. So stubborn. Riding the EMA like it's just their job. I think they're coming into the 900s. Like it up for our brother. Y'all want those? Fund is gone. You're the man. Work. You seen Top Step does free resets on a rebill on any accounts. On a rebill. I mean, that's fair. I don't get why we even have a rebill system still. I just think that's outdated tech. I think that's stupid. We're all buying accounts. We're not trading them for fucking months. So stop fucking charging us monthly fees. It's retarded. That's my opinion. You know what I mean? And I'm standing on it. That's my opinion, and I am standing on it. So how about that, huh? Come on, NASDAQ. Do the thing, my boy. I think we're dead here. I think the buyers just finally got a little bit of comfort that they're holding each other's hands. And we only got $50 in drawdown here, huh? So if it pops through this top with a little stiffy, we're cooked. I don't even know if I can handle seeing the 900s. It's gonna be close. Facts. I use the full drawdown on my position. That's why I love the 3-minute. Exactly. It's like they know that we're blowing them within a fucking week. Maybe max, couple days. Why are you making us pay for subscriptions over the month? No one's holding for the month. Gosh. This feels terrible. This feels like we're going to go flash the 900s, take my liquidity, stop me out of this little bit of fun, and then it's going to actually maybe find these sellers for the first time. Or sellers are just completely done for the day. And that's just an opportunity that I wasn't aware of, because all we had to do was buy. You're telling me for the last 30 minutes, all I had to do was find the fucking buy button, and I just am a fish? Oh, look at it. Teasing us again. Holding the EMA probably once again. How about you get through the fucking EMA, huh? How about that? Get a closure through that fucking thing. How about that, huh? God, dude. Nobody believes you, NASDAQ. From the 408s to the 900s, straight up. That's redonkulous, dude. We all know it. And the EMA is just a trampoline. You just touch it, you can just jump. You're telling me all I had to do is full port the EMA with 5 contracts every single time and would have been fine? Sure, NASDAQ. Sure. Full port the EMA with 5 fucking contracts, dude. Sure. That's the play. And you know what? Next time I see this, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to full port the EMA with 5 fucking contracts. 5 minis. And we're going to get paid. Oh, what do you know? Riding the EMA again. Tricking us. Making them think that it's not going to be able to break through it. And then it's going to just launch. Trampoline. Rip. Rip, 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 rip. Ripperoni. Little ripperoni and cheese. No dumperoni and cheese. That's for sure. She's not been dumping for the last hour. Here we go. Oh. Be cautious. Be careful. Be aware. Be patient. EMA, 5 full port to EMA. Full port EMA. I'm telling you guys, it's the fucking meta right now. Oh, here we go. Full port EMA, ripperoni and cheese. Little bazooka. Absolutely cannonball with a ripperoni and cheese pizza. You know what I mean? And I don't got a single slice of it. Everyone's just over here eating their ripperoni pizza, and I'm just fucking starving. The fuck? Do I not deserve a slice? Do I not deserve a slice? I feel like I deserve a fucking slice of that ripperoni pizza. But unfortunately, I'm allergic to ripperoni, and I want dumperoni cheese right now. Give me the dumperoni. Gluten-free ass. I'm holding that sliver of hope with you, bro. Hey, we gotta hold it. I'm just, you see it, Split. Still alive, but I'm barely breathing. Praying that I don't get smacked by these longs right now. And it doesn't look good. It looks pretty painful. Except they're just like tickling my dick enough to make me think that maybe there's a chance. They're just tittling me around here. Like, ooh, you see this EMA? You want us to break through it? Ooh, no, we're gonna, ooh, just kidding. Ooh, you gotta be quicker than that. Ooh. And it's gonna flash to the fucking VWAP and then probably a ripperoni. It's trying to dump. It wants to so badly. That's the problem. But like so badly that it's not is making me sad. It's making me a sad, sad man. Like it wants to taste that VWAP out, but it's like allergic to that bullshit. It's allergic to that bullshit. You know what I'm saying? Excuse me, mamma mia. She wants to and I want her to, but then the buyer said, but that EMA though. I mean, ripperoni and cheese. And it's just going to be stubborn here. Like, we just can't get 5 points. The buyers feel greedy. The buyers feel greedy. They won't give up 5 fucking points. I'm fine waiting for Monday. I'm not supposed to trade OPEX. It's my rules, and I already broke my rule today. I remember you did do that, King. You did set that rule, so you should be following that. Never heard that before. Heard what before, Dave? What happened to your Top Step 150K accounts? Blew them. Excuse me. Blew them like immediately. I think it was like last week. Sorry to disappoint you, Z Plays. I wish I didn't, but I did. I did. I blew them kittens. Trying to get a fat dollar payout, and instead we got a big old zero bomb right to the paycheck. You know what I mean? Oh, how much money did you make? $0.00. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Thank you for playing. Nasdaq, don't fuck around with these 800s. How about we cut through that? How about we cut through that 800 right there and give us a chance? Sorry to hear that, King. Hey, I appreciate the love, Z Plays. It happens, my man. Unfortunately, it's the name of the game, baby. You try to swing for a big fat payout, and the other side of that coin is a $0 paycheck. So we take the chance. I'll flip that coin every day. Head your tails. And then look at the fucking 800s, dude. No chance. The buyers are so fucking greedy today. I should be flipping over to longs. But as soon as I flip over to longs, this thing's going to fucking... I know it. It's going to dump pepperoni and cheese on me. Because I'm allergic to getting that slice, apparently. Hey, I'll say this. Officially getting closures below the EMA is a first. You know what I mean? That's a first for the last hour and a half of just pain. Just kidding. It's only like fucking 45 minutes as a thing. We worked out 45 minutes. We went up 500 nearly points. Gosh. There's a long party, and I wasn't even invited. It's like, ugh. I deserve a slice of that pizza party. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Can we get a closure through these fucking 800s for once? You piece of work. Get through that 800. Smell that yellow line, that old VWAP. What's it smell like? And then give it all up. How about you just give it all up? All these buyers that just got stuck up here, they're like, oh, no, I can't handle it. We're not going up right now. Oh. And then they have to sell. And then they have to sell to make it back. And then we get to be a part of it. Maybe. Or this thing ripperonis to 900s, take my liquidity, says, hey, have a good day. Happy free money Friday. And we go back to bed. I've been blowing my accounts like crazy. Till today, I've blown 20 50K's like crazy. Till today, I've blown 20 50K's. Z Plays, I hate hearing that, King. Wait, you mean until today? Or did you... If you made money today, it sound like you did. It sound like you blew some accounts. And for that, my man, I feel for you, King. It's been a little tough month for me too. But hey, we keep our perspective and positivity up. Keep taking your setups. Trust yourself. And the Nasdaq will pay you eventually. Keep your head on, King. I hate hearing that though, baby. It's the name of the game, though. We show up, we do it again, and we get paid. Just keep playing the fucking game and keep your confidence high. Be careful here. I know, Danny. I'm really not excited about this VWAP. Did we just take it and try to give ourselves a chance? Right? Do I just take this fucking money off of this VWAP and give myself a chance? This is where... but the thing is, I don't even trust what VWAP is anymore. Yeah, see, look. This is fucking VWAP. So what am I supposed to trust? How am I supposed to fucking know? Like, how am I supposed to even fucking know? Like, what even is VWAP anymore? MFF has intraday trailing. They do, Dave, only once, for the rapid accounts, once you pass, then it's intraday trailing for the first two, right? And then after that, it's open. What have you traded today? We took a short attempt at the 516s, got missed by it, went to the 512s, sold off. Then we shorted again at the 50%, got ripped through. Sold again at VWAP, got ripped through. And now we're shorting again up here. And it's tapping into VWAP on the MNQ. Excuse me. So I don't love it. Dude, screw that. Only account I'll do intra on is TPT or Apex if 10 accounts or more. I know, Dave. Problem is these motherfuckers got my money. These motherfuckers right here, they got my motherfucking money. So I got to do what I got to do to get it back, which means we got to battle. We got to battle with them. Here comes an EMA tap. I don't love it. It feels like we're going to get murdered after getting a VWAP tap on the MNQ. This is probably muerto. Danny told us, be careful here. She knew. And honestly, I don't like that. The short queen said, be careful. That means I got to be fucking careful. When she says it, you got to listen, King. Nasdaq's really trying. I just want to see what this VWAP smells like on the NQ, though. You know what I mean? Is that too much to ask? Even though, again, I don't even believe that is VWAP anymore. How do you believe anything? How do you even believe anything anymore? Whenever I feel down, I always watch your live just to make me feel comfortable, huh? Just to make me feel comfortable, huh? Hey, I'm glad I can provide that for you, see? Baby, let me tell you something. I'm glad I can provide that for you. Because let me tell you something. There's gonna be a guy losing with you. It's right here. If there's going to be a guy losing with you, it's right here, pal. And I'll tell you, it's going to be okay. God damn it, NASDAQ. That VWAP tap on the MNQ when we didn't even get there on NQ. What the fuck? Boring. How come the buyers are so greedy today, man? So greedy today, man. It's boring. Give us a battle. Look at the fucking buying. We didn't even give up anything. God, they're so greedy. Ass. That is ass. Either use TradingView, auto VWAP, or manually use the VWAP tool and attach it to the open of the day, and or one for the New York Open. Not a bad advice, Brother Robert, because it has been inconsistent and indecipherable when they're just giving the random prices, and then because of that, we take trades off of it, and then we get smurdered because it's not even where we want. I also have one chart on the 15-minute where I attach a VWAP to the highs and lows of the pre-market. Interesting. Very interesting information there, my king. Well, NASDAQ having its way with me. So, it's a pain. It's a bad. Not very good. Hopefully we don't see the 900s here, even though this V recovery smells like a 900. I ain't going to hold you. This V recovery smells like a 900 is on the table, but I'm going to hold our fucking hopium. High as fuck on hopium right now, huh? Yeah, I'm just straight high as shit on hopium right now. Let's fucking go, Matrix. Just seen him in the Discord. Check this out. Survive week 3. Mark the longest I've kept a funded account alive. Again, only enter with micros. Only with micros, the man has been having crazy great weeks. With one red day. Look at the fucking consistency by the man. Come on. This is what it's about, family. I hope everyone is green. Enjoy your weekend. Let's fucking go, baby. Come on. Hey, this is what Santi says. Micro's the way. Looking to scale more accounts and taking my third payout on the same account. Here's the strat. Look at the win rate. Profit factor. That's all you need. Profitable. That is a very profitable set of statistics right there. Fucking love it so much. I love seeing y'all kings eat. Uh-oh. Family. You guys see it. You smell it. Uh-oh. I only don't know if I should go for the next 5 accounts since they can move you live anytime. Just blew 2 MFF as well. High on Tradeify third payout. Just got it on Rise last night and it's on my Wise account. I mean, nothing wrong. I get it. I would just keep doing what you're doing, King. Grab the payouts. If you get pushed live, you get pushed live, and just then it's good practice for when we actually go live in general. You know what I mean? It's not bad, so W's. In fact, it is. It's incredible to see, Matrix. Thank you, Kings, of course. Nice stats, man. On my funded have been in profit for all 15 days. Crazy. Crazy. When that ball rolling, just get out of its way and let it build momentum. You know what I mean? When that thing is just fucking rolling downhill, you get out of the way and let it roll. That's the thing. Uh-oh, family. We're getting cross. Oh, we're getting so cross. Okay, okay. Might be Busto Magasto here. But your profits are gone, right? When moved to live. They do take them, but they put them in a little buffer, like a little vault, so you can still access them through successful trading. But yeah, you don't get access to the actual liquidity in your XFA, unfortunately. Unfortunately, it's not how it works. No, I wish it was, but it's not, darling. So we just do what we can and we take our payouts. I would try to milk it, though. Definitely try to milk it and grab your payouts if you can. Yeah, they'll put it in a vault, and then you have to do successful trading to unlock it. 900s are about to rip our foreheads off here. Not very good, because the 900s are inbound and loading. Loading. Is anyone in here on Apex Live? It's a great question, Brom, because that man's been left in the dirt for way too long. But I don't think that any of us are. That's why I'm hesitant. I'm thinking of just doing 1 to 2 more on Tradeify and using other props for 5 accounts. Apex, maybe 10. Lucid, TPT, MFU, etc. It's great. It's a good option, Robert. It's what I would do, man. Try to milk them and get your payouts, and then from there, just do what you can. Try some other accounts out. What's going on here, NASDAQ? Can you give it? Can you dig it? Do you believe it? Can you dig it? Oh, yeah, baby. Sure. Sure, baby. Sure. Do we just take this little trade off and try to find a spot to join the live? The longs. Do we just join the Ripperoni pizza party or what? A little EMA touch might have been enough to kill us. That could have been enough. We could be dead. Be careful, be cautious, be aware, be patient. We could be muerto. Es muerto. I know. Just don't rush it. Thanks, man. How's your progress? Matrix is crushing it. I know. Nah, high VIX, not good for longs. You know, I would agree with that, except for the fact that they're just having their way with this market. Longs were okay after the breaker structure on the 1 to 5 minute. They are having their way. And like, I'm trying so hard to be patient, but you know, I was about to give up in May for trying to scale the accounts. I spent 17K with no payouts. Since I switched to trades and 1 to 3 accounts with micros, I took all my losses back, and I'm profitable on the year. Excuse me. Absolutely fucking inspirational and incredible, Matrix. I love it, King. That's the thing, baby. Never give the fuck up in this game. You literally can make your losses back in a day, in a week, in a fucking small amount of time. Keep that confidence going. Keep spending. Keep trying. Keep playing. Promise you guys. You guys know how to trade. All it comes down to is just finding the opportunity. NASDAQ, what in the blue fucking shit is going on here? Bro, me too. Not that much invested, but got profitable trading micros. It's a common story. It's a common story. Micros are the way. It gives you guys just more ability, more room. You guys can pick the outside edges. You don't have to be as perfect with your entries and precise. Me, I'm a gambling addict apparently, so I love the outside edges and trying to perfect my entries. And I like minis. Holding the high of this 1 hour candle. Yeah, I hate it. I actually hate it, Danny. Sellers have nothing. Oh, and only using 10 to 20% of payouts for new accounts. Interesting. Interesting method there. I like to put that money in that bit. I like to put that money in that bit, let it hang. Let that bit ride, you know what I'm saying? Shit, Oh, and only using, no more. You force yourself to trade calm and get your payouts. Yeah, I'm willing to spend my money. I'm willing to spend 30 grand if it means I make 50. You know what I mean? That's just, I don't know. Probably not the best, but that's just what I like to do. I'll spend 60 grand to make 100. I really will. I really will. I get tilted easily. Trading micros gives me ease of mind and also gives me the option to make mistakes. Exactly. It does give us the chance to make errors. Family, there's 24 people watching, so there should be 1.5 million likes. If you guys haven't contributed to that yet, show some love. It means a lot. It's Free Money Friday. We're hoping to see some sellers step in here. I don't know if we will or not. It's the risk to reward ratio, including investing in new accounts. Yeah, I get you. Like, I would spend 500K to make $1 million. You know what I mean? I'd spend 700K to make $1 million. I really would. So if I had nearly 20K in Apex accounts, then get moved to live, none of it is there? No, I don't think so, Brown. I think you get one account with a 3K buffer, and then you have to, like, hit certain threshold, like 15 or 20 days, something like that, to then access your vault, which will have your other profit in it. That 20K is sitting in a vault somewhere. Just heard weird noises. I don't mind spending big as long as the payouts are 5 to 10x bigger. Exactly, Rob. I'll spend the money to make the money. That's the game. I don't even want that shit no more. What the fuck? Yeah, it sucks. It is sucks. It isn't ideal, my king. I won't lie. It's a little rough. It's a little bit rough. They force you to take crazy things. Do you have a Discord community? We do. We do, Z Plays. I'll post it in here for you right now, king. It's chill, and we're in there just sharing love, keeping each other inspired. We don't do anything else. And that's just the way we like to have it. So if you want to come by, be a part of the chill, come get in there, king. Yep, at times with good, clean setups, I throw in a mini, but super tight stop loss. I love it. I love it. What did Text Trader say? Just like Top Step, you have to unlock the money you already made in front of this trash. It's dog water. It really is dog water. And the problem about it, too, is that apparently even if you do that, you have to prove yourself again. Like my boy Timothy, great trader, fucking guy, and he got through the XFAs, right? Made 9K, 150Ks, got 5 150Ks, gets moved live with a 75K in XFA of 75K of XFA credit earned, gets moved live, gets only like I don't remember how much he had in a live account, like 10 grand or something like that. Ends up losing, making a little bit of money, losing, gets down to like 6,500, and then they lock him out of his live account and put him in a shoulder tap account, they call it, where you have to prove yourself again in a single XFA to then get access to the other money. Like, it's all fucking hickory-dickory bullshit, I'm not gonna lie. Need 3 more winning days for payouts, though. Oh, you're gonna crush it then. I love it. And do a scalp with the mini. It's a clean setup. You're gonna crush that, bro. Get to a payout, king. Lucia does the same thing if you leave more than 2K when you get moved live. Wild how they all shifted to that. It's profitable for him. Keeps him in the game, Text. Another VWAP tap. Probably dumbass Tyler for not taking it, but like, why are we just trickling? When actual NASDAQ hasn't found the VWAP yet, why are we teasing? These buyers, man, are greedy as shit. VWAP hold. I know, Danny. I hate it. It's like, why? Give up the fucking VWAP, you fucking pussies. Look at it. So bullshit. Because it's not fucking real VWAP. This is VWAP, huh? Like, what? MNQ is like, actually, we are VWAP. We're actually VWAP here, and you're not going to be able to get through it. So, sorry. We're going to hold the line down. And buyers are just going to get horny as fuck at the 750. Sorry. Don't blame me. Props I don't blame the props. Running up sim profits isn't profitable for them. Of course it's not, Dave. It isn't. That's why you gotta let them do what they want to do. It just sucks, yeah, for sure. But man, it used to be so great being able to take your time and build a buffer for live. Yeah, those were the days. Those were the days when you could take a fat fucking payout from your XFAs. If you have enough buffer and see your A++, definitely size up. I don't scale in or go in with minis with the same stop loss. 200 try to bottom tick. Those were the days when you could just actually grab a fatty McFatty payout with an XFA. Like, golly, goddammit. Well, I'll say this, family. The way that we're interacting with this VWAP makes me think that maybe, just maybe, if we can get through it at these 750s, maybe there's a chance to get some continuation. I don't know. It's making me think maybe there's a maybe chance. You know what I mean? But for now, we watch to find out. Little stretchy feels so good. Woo-wee! Little stretchy feel nice. I do understand it's technically all fake money and they don't actually make any money during sim and maybe not even live with most traders, but they should give you your payouts if your target hit before moving to live and then add up the remainder of all accounts together in one with maybe some risk management requirements and max payouts for the first 2 to 3 payouts. They would if they could. I'll say this, family, okay? With all the prop firms out there right now and how competitive the space is and how they're trying to one-up each other and be the bigger dog and just get all the attention, don't you think they would give us the best accounts if they could? And they would do whatever they could to market, but they have to stay alive as a business. So they're going to do whatever they can to be as attractive to us and stay profitable. And so as long as they're giving us the opportunity, it's all we can really ask for. You know what I mean? And that's just the reality. If props did that, they would be less profitable. It's great. Currently sketch how they do it on many props, so that's why I mix them up and don't go on in one prop firm. Yeah, it's a valid. You have Lucid and Tradeify and TPT. They are amazing firms. Just don't run up sim profits. Yeah, just when you get a payout, take a payout. And that's why a lot of them are max payouts anyways now. Just grab that fucking thing. I don't like this. NASDAQ dicking me around here. Do we get to this yellow bar fucking one time? One time. I need to see a yellow bar one time. Show me that yellow bar. Today was tough for me. My first trade didn't work and then made it back with the pump back up. Now up 127. I'm going to take it. Hey, Danny. I'm proud of you, Queen. Way to battle back and get your green. You're on a fucking streak. Keep dialing in. Keep hitting your base hits. Protect your accounts the way that you do, and you're going to get that payout. What did you think about that limited drop top step did that for the 250K account, 10K drawdown, 15K profit target, and 25K payout? I don't think it's bad text. I just think it's a trap. I don't think they're actually ever going to give a 25K payout. They're going to move you live first. Hope this plays out, King. Is that like an optimistic one, Brom, or like a, hey, man, look, I hope this plays out? Or like, do you think I should get out this VWAP? W Queen, take that green day. Absolutely. Is it like, hey, man, I hope this plays out. This looks good. Or is it like, hey, man, I hope this plays out, dude. I don't know. No, I think it's going to play out. All right. I'll hold then. Maybe we'll get some love through this VWAP yellow line. Or the buyer's going to get horny as fuck and we get smashed and in pain. It's going to be one of the two. I'll tell you that. It's going to be one of the goddamn two. I'll tell you that. And as far as we know, we don't know. Get through that yellow fucking bar. How about that, NASDAQ? It's fake. Fake. NASDAQ coming into line with it makes me a little intimidated, though. I want to see this thing cut through. And then we have the EMA to interact with the top of it. Makes me think that the top of the 15-minute range of 700s could be a spot to try to flip over. I don't know. But if I had to guess, it'd be an opportunity. It's just chopping. I'd hold. Yeah, the 3 p.m. candle just couldn't get back to the 50% of the previous candle and just dumped on me. Damn, Danny. I'm in it on gold on top of the last 3 previous candle on the 1 minute. I'm in it on gold. So you're long gold if we're hoping for shorts NASDAQ? Or what's up with that word? I also noticed I trade much more disciplined after the first payout, as you already have a buffer and only need to make a few $100 bucks and maybe 1 or 2 bigger days to hit the next payout in 5 days. Exactly. I noticed the same. There, Robert. Where do I want to consider being a buyer here is the question. Where would I want to consider being a buyer here? For me, it's going to be around these previous, something like this. Like these 723s look a little scary, honestly. Or is it this VWAP and I'm a hoe? Or is it VWAP and I'm just being a hoe? You know what I mean? It's one of those two. We've given ourselves a little bit more drawdown. Nothing crazy. BBNW, break that VWAP. Come on, get down there, that BBNW. Squirrel. If this 1 hour closed good, mate, we can ride it, baby. I'm hoping, my man. I'm hoping work. We got to get a nice reaction. We really do. 730s maybe. Yeah, I was thinking the same price, Danny. I'm thinking like 723, 730s, yeah. Wait, you in buys? Nah, I'm short with you, King. I'm short. I'm just trying to decide, like, you know, if I was a buyer, where would I be interested in to maybe decide where I want to get out of my short. But I'm short. I want to see this cut through this fucking VWAP with some direction. You know what I mean? That's what I'd like to see. With some gumption, with some energy, with some vigor, with some strength, with some fucking, you know what I mean? A little bit of, I see 726 as a place to stop the downside. Yeah, that's the same spot I saw, Dave. So we all got the same eyes. You, me, and Danny are all looking at it the same way. We'll see what happens. NASDAQ officially tapping into the yellow bar there on the actual price. We'll see what happens next. BBNW, baby, come on. I don't prefer buys, but in general, either a reversal of 50%, 62%, 60%, depending on the strong and close on the 50 minutes are. I'm in gold. I don't know what about NQ. Yeah, I know you are, King. But hopefully you're long gold, because I'm short NQ, and that would make sense. Look at volume node in the 1 hour chart. We'll probably want to go to the low volume node. I was thinking the same, which is like these 715s. We could come all the way down to these fucking 530s, but that's really low volume. So I'm thinking the next spot is like these 712s where we're going to get a reaction at. Hopefully. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. We are below 50% on this new hour candle. That's not bad. That's not bad. Or is that a target for the buyers that just get extremely excited? Israel is real. You. 780s. Look at us. Look at us. Yeah, bounce off that fucking VWAP. Duh. We always knew. We always knew it was going to be opportunity. Fucking buyers, man. Of course they're going to get through that VWAP. Who's even surprised? I'm not surprised. Are you surprised right now? Are you even surprised that VWAP is going to get excited like that? Nice little candle reaction though, honestly. If this closes bearish for us and gets a little closure down and it reverts that candle, I like this for a chance lower. Nice VWAP nullified. Buyers try to step in there. Seller said, actually, we're not really done yet. I don't mind that. As long as we get a closure through this VWAP, it looks pretty nice for a reversal. Completely canceled out that buy candle. Still a channel, maybe turns into a triangle. If it engulfs that candle, I'd hold. I agree, bro. If we get a little engulfing right now, a little encapsulation. Oof. It's not terrible. It's not great, but it's not terrible. Creating a pretty gnarly little wick up there. Come on, sellers. Bouncing on the OB and VWAP and volume node. Tricky. Very tricky. It is. They are moving the same. I just noticed that means low volatility. That is not ideal, bro. On a fucking quad OPEX day, why are we moving the same? I mean, like, what's up with that? I'm not exactly intimidated yet by these buyers. Not exactly yet. The reaction from that previous sell candle to engulf that volume off the VWAP is pretty sexy. So now we just gotta wait, hopefully get some continuation. I'll tell you what I don't like. The EMA, the way that it's trickling right above VWAP, I feel like once we get a flash through VWAP and then it kind of gets that opportunity to react, EMA reacting with the VWAP, that might be enough vigor to bounce this thing. I'll tell you what, I don't think I'm gonna earn the house on this short, so we really should just consider getting out of this at some point. I mean, I don't think we're gonna pay for the house. Here come these 30s that we were really interested in paying attention to as a family. Now sells on NQ are tricky. Asia low here. Ugh. Yo, Santi, where you at, mate? Where that king at? I don't know. This is tricky. You're not wrong. Do we just take this little bit that we found here and look for something else? Problem is if this holds, it could just get crazy. If we actually get the sellers to push through this level. Top of the 15-minute range is a scary spot as well. 700 whole number could be a spot as well. I just feel like the buyers have just tried so long. I just feel like the buyers tried so long that I feel like it's time for the sellers to get a little bit of love. Scale in, not a bad idea, Matrix. Problem is I'm thinking about getting out and then using our liquidity to try a mini, which would be scaling in, you know what I'm saying? That'd be a scale in if I ever seen one. Excuse me. $700s. What do you got for us at these 700s? Probably a pretty gnarly little reaction. I ain't gonna hold you. Top of the 15-minute range is the next spot where it's like clear reaction level. EMA officially cutting through the VWAP there. Don't hate it. Family, I don't know. It doesn't look terrible for a little continuation to the sell side. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm just being honest about it. Maybe get buyers here soon. Hit a blinker right now. Let me know. I just got out the dispensary. Yes, sir. I need to hit that blinker. Flush. Come on, family. Top of the 15-minute range is always going to be the scariest bit. We just tapped it, though. Do we just take off this trade and try to look for something else? I sold the open high there. I don't think that's a bad idea at all, Thomas. That's the problem. Because if I wasn't getting out at the top of the 15-minute range, what else would you even be really considering? Really, like the 600, like the 550s. But like, why the fuck would we get all the way back down there? You know what? This is what I'll do. This feels not good. Fucking kind of want to... I don't think that's a bad exit at all. The top of the 15. Oh, 5.7 piece. Let's go, baby. Let's fucking go, baby. Oh, it's already bouncing hard down to the 420s. That was indeed the top of the 15-minute wick. Don't stay in for a full break even. Trail or take partial. That man's seen me trade before, huh, bro? Rob? That man's seen me trade before. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm at least going to put my stops above VWAP. I just feel like that it's so susceptible to still finding a trade up to that spot. Auctioning the top of this 15 is everything. Give us a little dumperoni through the top of that 15 and go find these fucking like 600s I would love for an exit. I'd love to see a 600s try here. If we can get through the top of this 15, I think it could be pretty nasty. Otherwise, they're going to bounce at this level and do the thing that they do. I really don't know. It looks not bad, but we're just at such a big level after finally selling off that it's like, Is it gonna just fall through there? You know what I mean? One of those. Doesn't feel like enough buyers are trying here, though. It doesn't feel like there's enough buying. But it doesn't take much. It's the reality of it. Just hold. You held through all that drawdown. All right, GPT, you right. You right, though, King. We look for this kitten to get back down to those 5, 6s. When we get down to those 6s, and I'll buy it. I'll buy an MNQ. I mean, a micro or a fucking mini. I'll buy a mini. I don't care. Can we get through this, though? Come on, sellers. Do that thing, sellers. It's a big level that they're clearly finding some reaction to. Big level, big level. Inside of it looks pretty nice. Continuing to hold it does not look nice. $600 is the VWAP lower band, so it usually it goes there after breaking VWAP. Ooh, Ernesto, making me think that 600 exit's a good spot to look for. I like it. Look, you either get paid or you don't. We'll see. And it's NY Open. Yeah, that's a good point as well. Excuse me. Well, I just realized that my order is actually lower than 600 now, so I might have to update that. I kind of would rather front run it by a few ticks, like a 603 type of vibe. Oh, baby. Say it ain't so, though. Come on. Say it ain't so, though. You know what's crazy, family, is we're only down fucking 800 in the accounts, but we're so close to busting still because of the fucking intraday. Would you add contracts on a breakup? I think I would, bro. I think that's what I was just looking at right there. I was thinking if we get back up to VWAP, I'd be interested in maybe trying them, but I was trying to pick a price that I'd prefer, so it was tricky. But I think I would short VWAP again with some contracts. I think so, my man. I think so. This is going low a day. Hey, I love it. Just ain't right. Yo, good morning, King. Welcome in, brother. Happy days, sir. Problem is we're bouncing at the top of the 15, so it's just such a big spot to get a reaction to shorting the VWAP for a second time. Could be a little tricky. Little Trickosaurus and Rex, you know what I mean? You're in a really good spot to consider it. I know. I was thinking it. Yeah, it does come up with a decent price. Does look decent. Fuck it. I'll put the order in. How about that? I ain't scared. How about that? We already pretty much dead, so let's find out. All right, King, I'm out. Gotta get ready for the work. We'll come back to watch the video later today. See you next week. Take it easy, Matrix. Fucking again, huge congrats on the week you've been on, the streak you've been on all month, really. Keep that crushing and enjoy the rest of your day at work, sir. Have you tried passing the Apex 50K intraday all in evals for 49? The Apex 50K intraday. All in. I haven't done the no activation fees, so that's what that is. But I have passed the Apex 50K intradays, yes. But if you mean, I guess I don't know the difference between the all-ins, but I have passed them. I did the intraday with a activation fees. Yeah, it's a good deal. It's a good deal. Opportunity. All right, NASDAQ. Now's the time. You're gonna come touch us at VWAP if that's what you need to do, and then you're gonna rip through there and give us a chance. I wish. Yeah, bro, that's tough. They mad I rinsed them. Yes, they are, King. You took their guap from them, King. You took their guap. Made them pout. Top of 15-minute range reaction is crazy. 49 all-in with no activation fee is crazy. 40 Apex has the 50K no activation for 49 right now until the 22nd. Load up on them, Brandon. Try them out, King. Try some accounts out. I love Apex. The opportunity for the big payouts is there. And of course, code TFF, baby. Get that cheapest price. Code trading for freedom, King. NASDAQ did not give us a VWAP tap. Currently getting a pretty nasty sell reaction. I already passed 2 this morning. Let's fucking go, King. That's what it's about, baby. That's what it's about right there, baby. Yeah, with this much volatility, passing strong accounts like that are very doable. That's why I was excited. I almost passed my intraday trailing buffer in 2 fucking seconds today, but just got missed by 4 points. All right, it's creating a swing point for me to join on the selling again with you. Let's fucking go. Let's get in there then, baby. Let's fucking ride this thing down to the motherfucking south side then, baby. And I still come on, baby. Yo, there's 31 people watching, family. That should be like 427 likes. So if you haven't yet hit the button, it means the most. See if we can get this thing to sell through this top of the 50-minute range, where the reacting or the buying is initially coming from, and see if we can get to some sell side here. That's all we're going to pay attention to. Will we find it? I'm hoping so. I am hoping to see a reaction. Ba-ba-ba-bum, ba-ba-ba-bum, ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-bum. I gotta check to see if we even... Yes, sir, Thomas. Hey, Timothy, are you here, sir? Are we golfing? Because if we're golfing, I need to leave. If not, I will chill. How do you like limit order? I always market orders. You will never miss a trade. The spreads are small, limit versus market. I just like it because I like to fight for price, GPT. So, like, how I think about it is if I have the chance to market order, I have no idea at what point I'm gonna hit that button. I want to fight for price as close to where I want to be at. So if you look at like this, all these auction spots, I want to fight for that farthest outside edge and then try to get a top tick outside edge entry. If I'm gonna be right, I'm gonna be right on that outside edge. If I'm wrong, then and we turn earlier, I'm still okay with it as long as I'm in the position. But yeah, I just like to fight for price and try to get the best fill you can. Feels like we're just battling. This feels like we're just battling, and I think the sellers have a chance to get some sell side here, but man, it's just slow. Gotcha. I used to do that when I traded options. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, got only a second trade if I locked in 1200 max for the consistency and try to pass, but trade low mid risk next week. But low to mid risk next week. Beyond that, I'll focus on the 5-10 accounts on Apex, TPT, and MFFU. Let's go, baby. This 15-minute range high is risky. That's very risky, Robert. But I like to gamble on a risky. Just kidding. Hey, I've already been in there. We're already waiting. We want to see lower. If I was going to be wrong, it would have already pushed through this price, I think. I think the buyers would have already stepped up if they were going to get excited through here. I think we're just building more liquidity for sell side, to be honest. So I'm comfortable to look for lower. And I honestly think I could even look for fucking lower than the 6s. I won't, but I think you could. I will not, but I think it's a possibility. Yeah, bounces are relatively weak. Yeah, exactly. I think if they were really going to try to push through there, they would bounce pretty strong. I think we're building liquidity for the next leg, hopefully down. Could go to 600. I'm hoping so. We're going to find out as a family. It's 100 points down from here. Crazy, 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 crazy. 100 points. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. It's also the value area low on the volume profile. I mean, and it's New York open session price, so like there's some reasons that it makes sense. You know what I mean? Does that mean anything? Not necessarily, but I like the chance that we got. That's all we can do. I do believe it's not a terrible opportunity. What's the weather out? 70 something degrees and sexy outside. It's 70 degrees and sexy outside. Like, what are we doing? Come on, NASDAQ. Let me go enjoy the weather, huh? How about that? Question is, we got to try to find another trade after we find these 600s or nah? Do we long it? Do we just long it or nah? It's going. Maybe. It's hoping. We got to see if we can get through the... I think if we break through that top of the 15 with some... Break through it with a closure, it should be a pretty nice little speedy slip and slide to the sell side. A little slip and slide to the sell side. You know what I mean? Give me a slip and slide to the sell side. I like that. I could use that. That would feel nice. That would be great. I would appreciate it. Island boys. Come on. Super. 70 degrees and sexy outside. She knows how to make you wait, though. We've been in this trade for fucking forever. We've actually been in this trade fucking forever. Literally forever. Itchy nose. Come on, sellers. Fucking wake the fuck up. How about that? Get some selling through here. A little over an hour, LOL. It's crazy. Just move. Next leg down. Should be pretty speedy. But we just sat in this 15-minute range sideways for fucking forever. I want to see a little bit of a speedy breakthrough. You know what I mean? What's even crazier is that one wick up there was not to the VWAP where we were looking to get in. That would have been a nice little spot. Let me guess. That was this fucking VWAP. Yeah, of course. That was NQ's VWAP, not MNQ's VWAP. God damn it to Dick. You know what I mean? Of course it was, because we weren't looking at that. It avoided the MNQ VWAP and went on the other one. I love how you can lock individual accounts on those props that allow it in Trade Evade. Yeah, it's nice. Just prevents damage. This is some hickory dickory bullshit. Can you fucking move? Gosh. Can you just do the goddamn thing or what, man? Oh, yeah, sure. You're going to act like you're not going to. No one believes you. You know what? Let me look at this. What is the VWAP on this fucking thing? It is 747, 749. The mouse went up the clock. Scusi mia, mamma mia. I feel like I should wait for actual VWAP, but I'm gonna try to short this VWAP again. Five minutes looking bad. Oh no. 5 minutes looking bad. I don't want it to look bad. Come on, I don't want it to look bad. No. Tell you what, if I just get missed again, above 780 would be worried. Above 780, we're in trouble, so. Come on, Nasdaq.
This is a current tech.
If this fucking turns and doesn't get me tapped in there after that fucking twice in a row, dude, I'm gonna start getting fucking pissed. Like, what's up with this bullshit of me just getting fucking missed today, huh? Barely, oh so barely. God damn it. You can't even make it up. You can't even make that shit up. That's fine. It's fine. We're ready for the selling to start. So start. You know what I mean? We're ready. We're ready for you. Do I just fucking short sell this on an NQ right now? It's actual VWAP on NQ. I know, but that's what I shorted. I might order a 749 with actual VWAP. Still front running it. Actually what I did. Took a quick long bounce for an extra $50. Let's go, queen. I love hearing the wins. You trying it, you did it. The longs, I don't know if I like them, but they're not giving up, so it's not a bad idea. Still shy. Happens. She's so shy. She's so shy. The 5 minute high is just holding up so good. Yeah, it is. Like a fucking... Yeah, it is. Which I don't hate, because if we can get through it, could be nice. If we don't get through it, could be death. I think what I'm going to do, unless I don't get a chance because it's going to move now, I was going to sell my trade, give myself the most liquidity, and then try to short the VWAP with an actual NQ position. Crazy or what? Or is this just where we're going to chop and close and fucking do something? Another attempt from these sellers. I don't know. Can we finally break through this fat bottom of these 680s? It's feeling possible. Holy Hannaford. Holy Hannaford, we made it. Now what happens next? All I gotta do is put my sell contract up here. It's never gonna avoid that. Doesn't like getting me in, so it's gonna always push. Do we get this thing to actually close through? We're just gonna push off it again, motherfucker. Excuse me. Multiple obstacles though, before 600, 2 volume nodes. Yeah, I would say we just really got to get through the top of the 15, and then I think the 6s will be pretty lock, but we don't get a closure there. It's not going to matter. Man, what's up with these ads right now? Stop it. I'm trying to listen to my shit. Maybe add if it closes below this. I know we got a wick out, fortunately, Danny. I don't think it's a bad idea, though. Don't think it's a terrible idea, mate. Fun might be over, though. That was a pretty crazy rejection to the sell side there. I kind of want to sell this and then look for a different spot to do it and then use a mini. I mean, use a mini. Short VWAP or short the outside edge of this range. Family. You know what? I'm doing it. I say that and then we get a fucking green candle instead of a red one for me to change on. Holy chop. Yeah, this is ridiculous, bro. This is actually insane. Top of that 15-minute range is so strong. Delta not slowing down though, so consider partial close. Yeah, I'm thinking of getting out and then just using the liquidity that we've made to try on a different side of it. Let's go for it.
Order filled.
I'm getting out of it, and we're gonna try to use that $700 to smash a mini. Where do we want to short? We have $700. $700 drawdown. Held that for so long. Here come the NASDAQ. Dude, don't want to short this initial VWAP tap. Great trade, Crane. I appreciate you, bro. Or 5 micros and add in profit. Or that. If I got in at these 50s, hypothetically, I'd have till 80, 85 roughly. I don't love it. But I want to see this thing try to stay below this VWAP. I'd rather fight for that 85 entry. But then it's like, does it turn at VWAP and I get left in the dirt? It's like, you know, these are the questions, you know? What do we think, family? Do I short these 777s or do I look for a short 800s? Buyers are kind of doing the thing right now, low key. Let's do it. We're shorting the 800s. I guess the biggest outside edge would be the 823s if the 800s. Really don't love the 8s. The reason I took the 8s is it's the highest volume traded price, but on this volume profile. Hmm. 780 hit. Yeah, it did, Queen. EMA coming up into the bottom of the VWAP feels interesting here. See this outside edge? See this spot here at the 823s? I feel like I want to try to short that. Something happened. Some motherfucker just did something. Scared me out of my eyes. Oop, cancel my order. Oop, scared that. Oop, oop, nope, nope, nope. Or is it these 8s? That's the question right now. She was like, nope. She said, no, sir. Trickery dickory dock, isn't it? Look at that buy reaction, though. We're going to leave an 820, 8223 short. So you can go for it. Fuck them. Still buyers coming in. Yeah, buyers are still reacting. Here comes that 780, 800 touch. Don't like either side, but buyers seem strong. Yeah, they don't seem terrible after that initial reaction there. You know, I have been shorting all fucking morning. Surely we don't just buy this time, right? This will be the time the shorts actually do it. Surely this will be the time the shorts actually make that motherfucking dance on them. I don't know, fam. Is this the time that the sellers officially do it, or what? You know what I mean? Is this the time, or is it what? Oh, fuck yeah, that felt really nice. 791s appearing to be something. It's appearing to be something, you know what I mean? To it now, it's working. It's working. Look at these buyers, man. Look at these buyers, man. I'm trying it, family. I'm longing it. Oh, here go the 800s. A little bit of longaroni and cheese on them. A little bit of longaroni and biscuits. A little bit of. These 824s feel like something. It is indeed melting up, Rob. It's indeed running away from us. Not ideal. There's ideal and then there's this, and they're two different things. You know what I mean? Hey, I will say, though, we got out of that motherfucker at a good time, huh? Shit, son. Shit. We got out of that at a good time. Shit. There she goes, into the late 24 that we were just looking at. Wait for afternoon session or Monday, man. No forcing trades. I know. I wanted to be a part of the long. They just didn't have the nuts to do it. Didn't have the testicles, you know what I mean? I'd buy these 805s though. I'd buy them. Wow, that's a pump. I thought you were going up to dump. Wow, what a pump. I thought we were going to dump. Me too, just. We'll sketch you both sides. Big level here. Huge level those 24s, but I think it's buy side. That's why I'm trying to buy through it. Of course, it wants to turn to the 12 instead of the 805s, even though 805s is still good. Give me a touch at the 800s. Don't fucking go yet. Gosh. Yeah, I think 900s is very much on the table, Robert. I'm looking to be a part of it. Tell you what, next EMA touch, I'm buying. Next EMA touch, family, I'm 100% buying. Here we go. Volume into the 840s. Give me an EMA tap. Wherever that is. Wherever that is, I'm buying it. Feels as though it might be a little bit higher than... I don't care. I'll get into the 805s. That'd be like a market order for me, but... Let me in.
Order filled.
All right. It's a pretty big reaction, unfortunately. I wish I was a little bit less strong, but we're riding. And then immediately, you can't even make it up. You can't even make it up. After all that, these fucking sellers now have the gumption. Really, after all that. Hold this fucking EMA, dude. It's not feeling like they're gonna. Oh my word, man. I believe you. I believe you. Someone just doesn't like me to fucking make money lately. Like, I fucking imagine, dude. Totally imagine. Now we're trying to battle at the 8s. Like, it's just comical, dude. Because what the fuck are we ripping up to the 40s for there, dude?
Order
Piece
filled.
of fucking trash, man. Jesus Christ. The fuck is that pattern, dude? It's just unbelievable. All right, family. I'm out of here. Happy Friday. Happy days. Hope you guys enjoy the shit out of your weekend. And whatever happens next, protect yourselves. Have fun. Until next week, drink some sun. You guys are going to watch me be fucking bottom ticked right here. Watch this. Hold on a second. Let's watch this next candle develop. Let's see this candle not break through these fucking random ass 67s that just fucking flashed. And then it's going to go right up to the highs. Let's just watch this really quickly. Because this has been my fucking life lately. Watch this. Watch this shit, family. You can't make it up. Okay? Random ass 69 price. Just a random ass 69 price is going to be the bottom tick of this, which is the only dollar I have. Of course, you know. Let's just watch. Just watch this develop here, real time. Oh yeah. Let's just watch this develop real quickly here. We need an all-day stream again soon, just ain't right. It'll happen soon. Right, bounce off the 780. No, yeah. Let's just watch this develop real time, real quick. Let's see. Do we break this high at the 844s or this low first? Which one? Because, like, why wouldn't it? You know what I mean? This looks pretty bearish now, though. I'll say that. That candle I thought would be a little bit stronger. Bounce off the 780. No, it went to 760 fucking 7. She wants to hold the 780s. But it went to 67. Which is the only level it couldn't go for me to stay in. Oh, yeah. Let's just watch this really quickly here. Does it take out the 44s or this low first? Now, you guys see how close we were to just crushing today? We got missed by fucking 4 points on this sell-off to pass our shit, to pass our buffer. Then we sold all the way through. Ended up having a decent little short here. And now watch this. 67, 69. Perfect bottom. Come on, get up there. It's just classic, dude. It's just classic. The absolute furthest level I can handle. Like, what are the odds? That's all. It's just, what are the odds? Like, you can't get bottom ticked and top ticked as much as I have lately. You really can't. Like, if I was a professional and I was trying to snipe those, I'm still not getting that many bottom ticks, top ticks. But here's what it is, family. We're here an hour past. Whatever happens here, you guys will know. If we break through this top, you guys know what would have happened to me. You guys see the story. This is the bottom tick of my life, as always. But I love you guys. Thank you so fucking much for rocking with me all week long like you guys do. Riding all day. It's been a fucking blast. I appreciate you guys so much. And until tomorrow. Well, tomorrow's weekend where you guys should be enjoying it. Taking in as much of it as you can. Relax. Enjoy the time off. So until Monday, family. Drink some sun. No sweat, man. Next week, I appreciate you, King, for sure. We'll be back. I mean, we were we're on top of the market, just unlucky as fuck lately. But drink some sun, family. Get some water. Hug somebody you love. And I'll see y'all next Monday. All right? Peace, family.